In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company information in QuickBooks Online. We'll cover your business name, address, email, phone, website, industry, legal details, and the customer contact info that appears on invoices. Keeping this information accurate isn't just housekeeping. It ensures your invoices, statements, and reports show the right details, helps customers reach you, and supports compliance. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. This is the central place where your company profile lives and where all the key fields can be updated. Open the Company tab. You'll see fields for name, address, email, phone, website, and industry, along with sections for legal info and customer contact info. Think of this page as both your public-facing identity and your official registration details, all in one place. To change anything, click Edit next to the specific field. For example, to update your company name, type the new name exactly as you want it to appear on documents, then click Save. For the address, use your current mailing or physical location and follow standard postal formatting. Update your email to a monitored business mailbox so customers and accountants can reach you reliably. Enter a phone number that your team actually answers. Add or adjust your website so it reflects your current domain and branding. For industry, choose the closest match from the drop-down. This helps QuickBooks tailor features and reporting suggestions. Be sure to click Save for each field you modify so your changes stick. Next, scroll to Legal Info. Here you can update your legal business name, tax identification number, business type, and legal address. These should match your government and tax records exactly. Use the official name from your registration. Double-check every digit of your tax ID, select the correct business type, and enter your registered legal address if it differs from your mailing address. Click Edit, make your changes, and save. Continue to Customer Contact Info. This controls what prints on invoices and what customers use to contact you. Enter a dedicated customer email and the address you want to appear on customer-facing documents. Click Edit, make the updates, and save. Finally, review everything on the Company tab to confirm it looks right. Accurate details here will flow to invoices, statements, and reports automatically. If something doesn't look correct, reopen that section, adjust, and save until it matches what you want. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates.